Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default language of your Google Chrome. If you ever downloaded Google Chrome and it's been in a language, for example English, but your native language could be Spanish or Italian or Chinese, I'm going to teach you how to change your Chrome language so that you can get the most out of your Chrome experience. To begin, open up Chrome and we're going to go to a new tab. From here, we're going to press on the top right and we're going to go to settings. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go to search and we're going to write language. And to simply change your language, you're going to press on add language and search the language that you desire. Let's say we want ours to be Spanish. So you can see there's multiple types of Spanish, like Spanish Espanol, Spanish Argentina, Chile, Colombia. Depending on where you live or where you're from, you could choose. For me, I'm going to be choosing Espanol and I'm going to press on add. Now, as you can see, it still hasn't changed. To continue, we're going to right click and we're going to do display Google Chrome in this language. Now, in order for you to view Google Chrome in this language, you have to relaunch. So I'm going to relaunch. I'm not going to relaunch, but for you to view this, you can press on relaunch. For me, I want to stay on English United States, so I'm going to stay on this. But that is the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys shortly in the next video. Goodbye.